Hello! Thanks for signing up for our Life Book 2018. So excited to be a part of it, and I wanted to give this gift to you. It's You Are a Star. It's a zine, and I really enjoyed creating it. You can, if you haven't already, you can download the file. When you go to print it, make sure that you do borderless printing, or if you do print it as a border, just cut your borders off so that when you make your zine, it'll look really nice. So the first thing to do when you go to fold up your zine, this is just a little tutorial because it can be just a little confusing, so I thought the best way would be to show you. So I set your zine down once you've printed it, and make sure this is the cover page right here, and this is the back page. So here's the cover, and what we'll do first is we're just going to take this and fold it in half like this. Just fold it in half. Okay, and then we will fold it this way, and then we will fold it again. Okay, and you'll see it's not quite right yet. So what we'll do is, after doing all that, we open it back up, and we have to cut this little slit here. So I use just a ruler, and you're just going to cut from the center line from just the two middle pages. So you just cut right there, and then you'll have this little slit. So then when you go to fold your zine down like this, you can pop those pages out like that. And you'll have this, and then you'll fold it all over like this. And your zine will look like this. So I'm going to do it one more time, the full way through. So again, cover page, fold it in half, and flip it over, fold it in half again. So here's that cover again. And then we're going to fold it in half again. So your cover and your back page are correct, but when you open it, you don't have all your pages yet. So again, what we do is we're going to open it up. Take a ruler. Cut just from the middle two. So and just to the edge of the next page there again. Okay, so then we have that slit again. Go to fold it, and this kind of illustrates, you have to help it along a bit. So fold that, and then fold these out, and then take this, press it down, fold it all over, and voila, there's your zine. Thank you so much. Enjoy.